Hello, my friends. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 10th. That's Tuesday, May 10th, 2022. It's currently May 8th, 2022, 10:42 p.m. So we have selling from a high. That's the overall theme for the day. Profit taking off of a high. It's a near overbought territory, not complete, not like deep overbought, but near overbought. So that's relative to, like, if you look at an RSI chart. Overbought can be a different location, like a different number depending on the stock's behavior. So, with that said, this would be like around the top of the range of RSI, selling down from that. I think it probably starts right around here, which is why we have that card there. It's the the theme card on the day of the 9th on the overview for May. We're going to see support. Okay, so there's a decline to a support level, and then we bounce along that support level, decline to the support level in the pre-market, and then we bounce along that support level. Looks like the end of a trend, so the end of that move right around the open. There's a cash-in opportunity as well in the first half hour. So between like the open and the first half hour, and then we have a high and a low correlated to the 10 to 11 o'clock hour. What I see here is that we have three failed attempts to break through key resistance. That's got to be around the top of the range there, the day's high. And then we break down sharply off after that failed attempt. More back and forth volatility as we move forward towards noontime. And then midday there is going to be a prominent decline, a sharp drop to the bottom of the range. That'll be like a day's second low. Could be one or two lows in there midday based on the correlators. There's a trade opportunity in the midst of this sharp decline. So when this sharp decline goes, it looks to me like that is going to be the day, or that's the moment I get out of these puts, right in there. So right, I'll be in puts and calls, right? I'll buy puts at the end of the day as well, so I'll be positioned for both sides of the market here. I'll buy puts at the end of the day, right? Likely I'll sell those puts around a low midday, maybe closer to 1. Then we've got price swings moving into an even lower low price swings, and then a sharp decline through multiple support levels as we move into the day's close. There's a revisiting of a crest in the midst of some erratic behavior right around the close. And then we have a fast sudden move higher marking the end of a decline that takes place in the post-market. Yeah, the low here is definitely a trade opportunity. The high is going to form. There'll be a sudden dip within a period of volatility, and in that period of volatility, likely the dip will come from that day's high there, because they're in close proximity to each other. But high closer to the start of the day, low in the beginning of the day, low in the middle of the day, and another low at the end of the day. So pretty bearish day, my friends. When I look at the overview for the May, we have a month's low correlator here on the 11th. I think it probably takes place here today, is my sense. Either that or it gets tricky and it's best to sell out of those positions, those puts that I'll be holding. on the 10th. Some more surprise, like out of nowhere, unexpected behavior, having something to have, and or something to have to do with that big piece of news that'll be coming out on Monday, or maybe it came out tonight. Again, I don't watch the news at all. It's toxic, my friends. It's controlled by the people that you're basically competing with in the stock market. Why would you listen to it? All right, guys. That's the S&P 500, May 10th, 2022. Let me know what you think, guys. If you like this sort of thing, rather than me doing like the shuffling and all of that, to kind of prove to these skeptics, like, oh, it's actually being done. Like, should I waste my time or should I just go with these type of videos? Let me know.